Hi, thanks for watching. I am going to show you how to make this sign. So this is the wood that we're going to use, or that I use for my design. This is pre-painted MDF. I get this from Houston Acrylics. And you can, what I initially was doing was just using the MDF and I would spray paint it white, and that totally works too. This just saves you a extra step, and it's super clean. And no blemishes or anything on it. So this is what I use, and I do mask it only because I'm engraving. So go ahead and mask your MDF. So this design is available in my shop, and I can put the link in the description. So it comes with this, oops, grabbed the wrong one. It comes with a border that we're just going to move away because we're not going to cut that one first. And then the background, the lettering, which we're going to ignore, and the engraving. And I have my engraving on 535 out of 55. And I'm sorry about that, I got cut off. I am making this into a pretty big sign. So we are going to go ahead and click print, and that will cut this out and engrave these right here. So after that is cut, we can go ahead and take it out. And just peel the masking back. And the edges may be a little bit burnt, and I will show you how to get rid of that. I'm just gonna go ahead and shut off the video for a second while I finish peeling off the masking. So as you can see, we are left with a few burn marks. The edges doesn't really matter in this case because we are putting a border on it, but we do want to get rid of the burn marks around our engraving. So we're just gonna take a baby wipe. Kind of hard to do this with one hand, and just scrub it off, and those burn marks should come right off. Next we can place our MDF directly into our machine here on our crumb tray. And close the lid, and we shall walk over to our computer. My office is kind of a mess because I'm working on about 1 million projects at once. Okay, so this exterior that we just clicked or cut, we are going to ignore that. And the engraving, we are also going to ignore. We need to cut out the together text and our border. So I always choose MDF 1/8 of a cut, and that is 168 speed and full power. And just make sure both of them are set to that. And we are going to set the focus, make sure it's lined up on our machine so it doesn't cut off. And once that is all ready, you can click print up here. Now that these are cut, we are going to stain our frame with this mocha stain and spray paint that black. And you can use whatever stain you want. I really like this one. Looks super cool once it's on and dried. So now that this is dry, we are going to apply our border and our together words, and I use this. I know Gorilla Glue works real well too. This is just what I prefer, and you are going to just glue it right in the middle.